welcome to our morning meeting and the Week of the Young Child Artsy Thursday. I'm Mrs. L with Pre-K Counts at Avon Elementary, and we're going to be reading a book and doing a fun activity today in time for the spring. So today, the name of our book is The Very Hungry Caterpillar. So during the springtime, we see a lot of butterflies. I've seen a lot of them in my garden. So today, we're going to read about this caterpillar that becomes a butterfly and then make our own beautiful butterflies out of coffee filters. Whoops, here you go. It's really fun and it's really easy. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. So by Eric Carle means that's the author, the person who wrote the words, okay? And when it doesn't have an illustrator, the author and the illustrator are usually the same. So it's both Eric Carle. This is the cover of our book. This is the back cover of our book. And this is the spine. So are we ready? Okay, let's go. In the light of the moon, a little egg on a little leaf. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up, and pop! Out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He started to look for food. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. I guess he's very hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. 1, 2, 3. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. Oh my goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonder what he's going to eat through next. What are these? Do you know? It's an orange. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. And then on Saturday, he ate through, oh boy, this is all food that Mrs. L would like to eat. He ate through 1 piece of cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 piece of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. So how many things did he eat? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He ate through 10 pieces of food. Oh my goodness. How do you think he feels? I think he might be a little full. Let's see. That night, he had a stomach ache. He ate too much. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that, he felt much better because he was eating healthy food. Like we like to eat healthy food like salads, which are green, usually lettuce. All right, my page. Uh-oh, look at him. What happened to him? Is he still a little tiny caterpillar now? Nope. Now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house called a cocoon. He stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon and pushed his way out. So caterpillars go into cocoons. They stay in there for a little while, and then they come out. Do you know what they come out as? Let's put our thinking caps on. Let's see. He is going... Oh, can't find my page. I'm sorry, my friends. My page got stuck. Out came a beautiful butterfly. Look at all the colors. So it has reds and blues and oranges and yellows. They're beautiful. The end. Okay, so that was our book. I've been seeing a lot of butterflies outside in my garden, and I love them. They're so pretty to look at. So we're going to do a quick activity that's really easy, and you can make your own butterflies and hang them up. All right, so what we're going to need is the help of somebody in your family, because there's going to be a lot of steps. Are you ready? Okay. So you're going to need coffee filters, just round coffee filters. So you need 2 of them on top of each other. Now the reason that you need 2 is because butterflies have symmetrical wings. So let's actually look at their wings quickly. Symmetrical means it looks like the same on both sides. So you see how this side looks like this side? Okay? So you need to put 2 coffee filters. Then you're going to get washable markers, okay? And you're going to decorate all over your coffee filter. So put 2 on top of each other, like this. And then get your marker. They have to be washable so that we don't make a mess. And then when we're using water, it's gonna spread. I'm also using a tray. Let's keep the water on the tray so we don't get it everywhere, okay? So you're gonna color on your coffee filters, whatever colors you want, lots of patterns. Okay, here's mine. So I have 2 on top. Then you're going to take water, okay? So you can have somebody help you. Maybe your brothers or your sisters want to help you because they might like doing this too. So you can do this 2 different ways. So you can use a water bottle or you can use an eyedropper. So we're using fine motor skills. So we're using an eyedropper. Look, this is my cup of water. I'm going to use my pinching fingers. See, like this? So you're going to pinch, get the water. Whoops. Goodness, my water doesn't want to come out. I have something in there. Oops. Okay. And you're going to put water on your coffee filter and wet the whole thing all over. Keep it on your tray. Okay. And you can have your mommies, daddies, grandma, grandpas, aunts, uncles, family, whoever, brothers, sisters. And you can all do this together. So you're going to wet the whole paper. You see how I'm using my pinching fingers? So you want it to all be wet on your tray, but you're not going to touch it. If you want to use a water bottle instead, you can use 2 hands. You can hold it like this, 1 hand, 2 hands, and spray. We do this in my classroom, and my friends like it. Okay, so after it's nice and wet, we're going to leave it on the tray. Do not touch it. You have to leave it alone for about, I would say, maybe the whole day if it's inside. If you leave it outside, that's okay. You leave it in the sunshine, maybe it takes an hour or 2 in a sunny spot. You have to watch them. Make sure that you don't leave them by themselves. Mrs. L left hers out there and it got to be very windy. And the wind came and my butterfly wings went flying through the yard and I had to chase them very hard. Okay, so after they are dry, they're going to look like this. So you see how they look almost exactly the same because they're symmetrical, matching. You're going to start folding them. So you're going to need help with this. You're going to fold forward and then back. And keep doing that. So forward, then turn it over, and then go back. It's kind of hard to see. And we're going to do that whole thing. Okay? So it's going to look like this when you're all done. I'm using different ones because they're already prepared. So you see how it's accordion? So you're going to have that step, and oops, and finish this one. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. And this is a lot of fun, and everybody can do them together. I don't know, I have a lot of these because I've practiced this video a couple of times. So I think I'm going to make a mobile maybe and hang them from my window. I don't know. So you're going to take your 2 pieces, right? They look the same. And you're going to put them one on top of each other. And you're going to pinch. Where are those pinching fingers? Pinch in the middle and hold it. Now you're going to take a pipe cleaner. You can take any color pipe cleaner you want. I'm going to use a pink one. And you're going to put it in the middle and you're going to give it a twist. And just twist it. And then it's going to be sticking up like this. So these are the antennae. I'm going to twirl them over. You can leave them short. You can cut them if you want to. Leave them long. However you want to do it. Then this is the fun part. You're going to open up the wings. Okay? Like that. So you're going to fan them out. And there you go. You see? Aren't they pretty? I have a whole bunch of them in different colors. So I have orange ones, pink ones. This is the time, my friends, to show your creativity and use all those different kinds of rainbow colors. You can use any colors that you want, and it's just going to create a different effect with the water. They're really pretty. So I hope that you enjoyed that activity. Please post your photos and your videos of you doing the activity. You can post the pictures of your actual butterflies. If you do something fun with the butterflies, hang them in a fun spot. Please post those. We love to see them. So all of us at LVCC here, we miss you, and we hope that you're having a very safe and yet fun time off, though we do miss you. So please, I know that we love having messy fun, but remember to wash your hands. Bye.